SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
This video from SolveYourTech.com will show you how to scan QR code on iPhone 13. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. If you want to scan a QR code on your iPhone 13, then the first thing that you need to do is make sure that the option is enabled on the camera menu. So start by opening the Settings app, scroll down, and select the camera option. Then tap the button to the right of Scan QR Codes to turn it on. Once that's enabled, then you're ready to start scanning QR codes. So exit out of here, open the camera app, make sure that you have it on the photo mode, which is down here, and then you can get a QR code ready, and then scan it, and then you'll see that this little yellow pop-up link appears, and then you can just tap on that and it'll open the page in your default web browser. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.